Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the screen on the Dell e6520. The first step is to take out the battery. Don't want any accidental shorts while you're doing this. And then the second step is to remove the bezel. So now be careful with the old LCD screen to remove this because you don't want to damage anything, but it should just come right off. Okay, so the bezel's been removed. And now there are basically 6 screws that you have to remove. 4 on the bottom over here, and then 2 on the top. 1 here and 1 here. So okay, so the next step is to lean the screen down and just gently detach it from the computer. And you'll notice here that there's a cable that connects the screen to the computer. So you want to remove the cable and be careful with the tape not to tear off anything. Okay, so that's the cable that's been removed. So on the old screen, there are 2 brackets that connect the screen to the computer, and you want to remove these before you install the new screen. So let's put this back here. Now each bracket has 2 screws, one over here and one on the top. Okay, that's the first bracket. Now be aware that the screws for the brackets are actually smaller than the screw that you removed earlier, so you want to save these and keep them separate. There are a total of 4 bracket screws and 6 of the original ones. Okay. So once the bracket is removed, what you want to do is attach the bracket to the new screen. First of all, the screen has like a protective film that covers it, so you want to be careful when you're removing that. Put that down. Okay, and the next step is to attach the brackets to the new screen. Here. That's back. So now that the brackets are attached, we're going to install the screen back into the computer. So just put the screen face down on the keyboard, and then be careful when you're reattaching the little wire or cable that goes into the screen. So it just plugs in, but be sure that the tape doesn't get in the way. And also make sure it's pretty securely fastened before you install the screen. Okay. So now I'm going to put the screen back up. And then what you want to do is lean the whole computer monitor back so that it's easier to screw it in. Alright. Okay, now we're going to put the bezel back on the laptop. This pretty much just clicks into place. Alright, and now that we're done, we're going to put the battery back in. And turn it on to see if it works. So, there you go. This is the tutorial for replacing the screen on the Dell e6520. And thanks for watching.